Oh, that one's pretty.
I know. This is at Myrtle Beach.
Yay, Myrtle Beach.
It sounds pretty. Look at them. And this is today, Mommy. Don't delete it.
Oh, I love that one.
Me too.
Oh, pretty.
Pretty.
That one's so
pretty.
pretty.
I know. Huh.
Oh, that's pretty.
It is. It looks like pom-poms.
I know.
A lot of people are here. I don't know why. Probably fireworks. So pretty. I should not have done that.
Wish you were here.
Uh-huh. Wish you were.
Oh, pretty. Look, Lily, they did two at the same time.
I know. How many fireworks do they have?
I don't know, they're awesome.
Can't see that. I thought you would be able to see those stars. And the grand finale! I hope!
Oh, pretty.